Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. So today we're testing out the Scooby Doo X Glamlite Round 2 collection. I am so excited. I did buy the entire collection last time, and this time I wasn't planning on getting the entire collection, but I really wanted the makeup bag, and the makeup bag was sold out, so I bought the entire collection again. Here's the box, here's the makeup bag that I wanted so badly, and here's the rest of the collection. So if you're interested in seeing me test out these products and seeing what I think of them and if they're as good as the last collection, then just keep watching this video. Okay, so I want to start by saying, like I said, I did not want to buy the whole collection. There's quite a few things that I didn't feel like I really needed. Two of those being the Velma Lip Kit. I didn't necessarily want this. Also, the Scooby Doo Scooby Snacks Lip Duo. I'm going to be giving both of these to my best friend Hannah because I did not want them. It's a little bit of a tight squeeze there. But this is what the Velma Lip Kit looks like. It's very pretty, but I did not want these things. So I'm just going to put them back. And I'm going to give those to her. Then we have the Daphne Lip Kit, which I really, really wanted. This is one of the things I was planning on buying. Oh my gosh. Okay, no. I can't. These are very tightly packed in there. There's the Daphne Lip Kit. I love the packaging, like I love the little pull-out box, but it's very difficult to actually like pull out. Oh, I love it. Oh, it's such a beautiful pink. Then we have the Blush Duo, which is another thing that I was planning on buying. And I love, they did more with the holograms, or whatever you call this. Like, they did more with this. This and the palette both have that, and I love it. And oh my god, they are so beautiful. They are very bright in color, but I feel like if you use a light hand, that will be okay. Then there's a brush kit that comes with 4 brushes. I was not planning on picking up the brush kit either. Here it is. I will be using this for the eyeshadow palette. Then we have a mirror. I cannot even remember what this looks like. I hope that's just on the plastic. There's a bunch of scratches all over that. Okay, it's cute. It's a cute mirror. And this is very soft. Can you guys see? Look at that. I was literally so afraid. It didn't look like there was a plastic peel, but okay. That's much better. That's actually like a really good mirror. There, you guys can see yourself. Okay, whew. That was a close one. This is very cute. Then we have the main thing, which is the eyeshadow palette. It says palette for face and body. Oh, and there's a bunch of shades that say not intended for eye area. Okay. There's 25 shades, and 5 of them don't have the asterisk that says not intended for use in eye area. I know that legally, like, for legal reasons, they have to say that with, like, pressed pigments and stuff, like calling palettes, like, pressed pigment palettes. Like, this is called a 25 color palette. Also, look at it. So cute. I freaking love it. But I know that they legally have to do that to, you know, save themselves from getting in trouble. But you got 25 shades, and you mean to tell me that these 4 and this one are okay for eye use, and then quite literally the rest of them could cause an allergic reaction and be a problem, and ookie. Alright, well, we'll keep that in mind. I love this makeup bag. I think it's adorable, and I will definitely be using it. My only problem is, like, this palette is huge, and it won't fit in here. There's no way. Math, it's not gonna fit. I do wish that they maybe would have done a makeup bag that could actually fit, like, this whole collection inside of it. A lot of the time, I feel like that's what people do. But that's obviously not what was done here. But we are gonna see if I can fit everything but this palette from this collection and the last collection in here. So we are gonna try that later after I've actually tested everything out. So let's get into the testing. Okay, so I've prepped my eyes and now we're gonna get into the palette. I'm not exactly sure what I want to do, but since the last time it was like a very dark Halloween look, I kind of want to use like some of these pastels and the more like brighter, lighter shades. I almost kind of feel like just doing like these three, but then I also kind of like the blue as well, so maybe throw the blue in there too. This green right there. We're going to see how pigmented these pastels are. Oh, yep. I was about to say, last time we did not have a problem with pigment, so I am very impressed. Not surprised, but very impressed. I mean, look at that. That is stunning. Then I'm going to go into the green that was right underneath that, the like lime green. I'm not gonna lie, it's so quick to do makeup looks with these Glamlite palettes because like the pigment is just, you barely even have to build it up. Okay, so the shade that I just used was this one. Now I'm gonna go in with this blue here. I don't like that color as well. So I'm actually gonna go back into that green again and just like cover it up a little bit more. I'm not as big a fan as that color. Then going in with this purple and doing that on like the outer corner. Bring that purple up a little bit into that blue. Since I don't really like that blue so much, I'm gonna try and kind of cover it up a little bit. So I think I've pretty much covered that blue that I didn't like that much. Now I'm gonna go in with one of the Scooby Doo brushes and I'm just gonna take that green or that teal again and I'm just gonna like blend it out. These brushes are very soft. They feel very like, very synthetic and it's not the best feeling brush. And I don't feel like it's doing me any favors right now. I think I'm ruining what I did. Now I'm gonna cut the crease, but I have to go grab my micellar water because I forgot it. Okay, so I've cut the crease and I'm thinking this shade first on my like very inner corner, which is gonna be difficult, so I'm gonna need a brush. So I'm gonna use one of the Scooby Doo brushes. That shade is beautiful. So I'm gonna take a different brush. See, that brush worked. Yeah, guys, I think you can save your money on these brushes if you have already bought them or haven't bought them. I think that this collection's probably not available anymore. It took over 2 weeks. It took almost 3 weeks for this collection to get to me. Then I'm gonna go in with this shade. It's like a duochrome, like purple blue color. Oh, it's like very icy. It's very icy looking. Oh yeah, I like that. I love that there's like a bunch of like duochromes. At least to me, they kind of look very like duochrome. Like almost all of these shades look kind of duochrome to me. And then I'm kind of thinking this bright purple for the outer corner. Love how pigmented all of Glamlite's shimmers are. Like they're the most pigmented things. I freaking love them. And I think I'm gonna do a different color on the inner corner because now I feel like it doesn't fit the vibe. So I think I'm actually gonna go back in with this teal color and try to put that on my inner corner. Oh yeah, okay, I think that's gonna look a lot better. Like I can try and like pull my eyelid out so I can try and get in that corner, but I cannot physically get in that corner. And my only short nail is my thumb, and like that's, maybe that'll work. No, that's not working. I mean, it's kind of working, but okay, that's not terrible. I don't know if I like this eye look. I think it's messy. I think I've made a very big mess. For the outer corner, to blend in that purple, I'm going to take this like very deep purple and I'm gonna blend, oh gosh, oh no, and I'm gonna blend that out and just like blend it into that shimmer. I like that. Now I'm gonna clean it up and clean myself up and we'll be back. Okay, so I did a little more than clean it up. I went ahead and finished everything I needed to get done before we test the next product. I actually think the eye look looks good. I was a little concerned with the colors and with the blending. I don't like the brushes. But anyway, we're ready for blush now. So a little part of me just wants to go in with this pink, and then a little part of me kind of wants to mix the two shades. So I think I'm just gonna mix the two because like I kind of want to test them both out, but I obviously can't like wear one on one side and one on the other, so we're just gonna mix them. That looks pretty. I like that. So I did like 3 dips into the pink and 1 dip into the red, and this is what we're looking like. And I think this is a pretty blush combination. I like it, and I could definitely see me using both of these blushes often. Like, they're very pigmented. I definitely think they would work for a lot of skin tones because you can use a light hand. Like, I'm using a very fluffy brush because I understand that I am very fair-skinned and that these blushes are very dark. So I definitely think that these blushes would work for most skin tones because they're dark and pigmented enough to work for like deeper skin tones. But you can also use a very light hand and a fluffy brush to get them to be, you know, not too crazy pigmented on fairer skin. Also, I am using my other Scooby Doo products as well. Like, I'm using my eyeliner, my mascara, and I'm also going to go in with my Scooby Doo highlighter. So we're doing like a full face of Scooby Doo today. Okay, so to finish off the eyes, I actually think I'm going to go in with this orange on my lower lash line, and we're going to call that good. That way we've like really got all of the Mystery Machine colors in here. I would really like to just do some like orange liner up here, but that's not testing the product. That's adding other things, and I'm just trying to test out these products. Okay, I think we're ready for lips now. I am gonna go ahead and line my lips first. Now taking the Daphne lipstick. This looks like such a beautiful lipstick. Definitely a little bit more pink than nude. Not quite sure if it fits the vibe, but it's cute. Then we have the Daphne lip gloss, which looks very shimmery. Oh. I'm not gonna lie, I don't feel like this looks like what was advertised. Like, it's almost like a duochrome gloss, and I feel like it looked a lot more sheer. Like, in the pictures that they advertised, I feel like this was a lot more sheer, and I also feel like the lipstick was a lot more, like, light and nudie looking. I can feel the grittiness of the shimmers in it. Okay, so the makeup look is done, and, like, I was really feeling this makeup look in the beginning, and now I'm just kind of not. I don't know if it's like adding the orange or if it's the lip product. Like, I'm not feeling it as much as I was in the beginning. I was really liking it, or maybe it's just because I've been sitting here for a ridiculously long time, but I do like it, and I do think I will get use out of all of these products, especially the blush. I love the blush, and I love the eyeshadow palette. I'm not the biggest fan of the lip, but it might just be because I don't like the lip with everything else happening. I see me wearing the lip on like a separate occasion, maybe with like a more pink Barbie-ish looking look. I do think it's weird, like, if you look at the eyeshadow palette and you look at least this lip, like, I don't see any colors that are really complementing this lip. There seems to be there's like no pinks or anything in here, and not that I would expect pinks out of this. But if you're gonna have like a bright bubblegum pink lipstick. So now I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna see if I can fit like all of the makeup collection in here, except for the big eyeshadow palette. So instead we're gonna take these 2 eyeshadow palettes that fit in there nicely. The blush, the highlighter from the old collection. Well, not old, but lip products from this collection. Mascara from the last one. Eyeliner from the last one. Eyelashes. A lipstick from the last collection, the mirror from this collection, and then we know the brushes fit because there's a spot for brushes, though you don't need like that much room for these 4 brushes, but I think that's everything. So basically you can fit the entire last collection and most of this collection in this little bag. minus the big palette from this collection. You can fit everything else in here. And there's plenty of room. Like, there's room for me to pack the rest of my full face of makeup so that you can at least have a full face in here. But I fit 2 little eyeshadow palettes in here, so... I think that's all for me today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. I don't even know if these products are still available. I don't think they are, but if they are, I will link them down below. I really wanted to get this video out sooner, but like I said, it took almost 3 weeks for me to get this. I almost tried to cancel my order. I was talking about canceling my order, and then like 2 days later, it said it shipped. So I'm really sorry if none of this is even available anymore. It was super limited edition, and I wanted to get this video out sooner, but it took so long to get to me, so I'm sorry. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you did enjoy this video. I would greatly appreciate that. Comment down below what your favorite thing was from this spring Scooby Doo collection. And also let me know if you liked the Halloween or the spring collection better. I guess it wasn't really Halloween, but like if you liked the fall collection or the spring collection better, please let me know. Personally, I do like the colors of the spring collection. Like, I do really enjoy this makeup look, but I think I liked the fall collection better. I don't know. We'll see. If the fall collection had a blush, I probably would have liked it better. But I do love the blush, and I do love this eye look. I'm not sure. I feel like something is off here, and I'm not sure what it is.